So this is the AI Video Storyboard Assistant, an application that I built to help bring our video projects to life. So for example, we're going to start off with this prompt, right? So make a video for Don Howard Construction with two Amish guys about a customer who hired us to replace his inferior decking wood with a premium exotic Brazilian material, Chatabo. The benefits that it's extremely dense wood that will take generations to rot. Don't use the word rot though. We need to turn this into a storyboard with beats so that we can promote Don Howard Construction, that we use the highest quality premium products. Make sure the Amish aren't wearing yarmulkes, but instead the hats. All right, so you can see assembling your creative team, the director and producer. It's going to give us a product vision, a full script, director's notes. So now we can go to our director's desk. So we're going to generate based off of that. So it's generating here. I need to fix that. So when we go to our director's desk, I need to show that, yeah, there needs to be some kind of animation that's showing that, because now it's going to give us our scenes, right, based off of this project hub that we have. So we can generate from text. We have our visual description. Opens with an establishing wide shot of a severely weathered and faded wooden deck, revealing its extensive wear and tear against the backdrop. So here we go. So you can see we have our image here. Nice image, right? If we don't like that, we say, we want to say, oh, this is great. But let's say add a dog. So we're going to generate that edit, and it will add a dog to the scene. So you can see that, and it's just leveraging the latest Nano Banana. So okay, awesome. Now we have a dog in the scene. Okay, now we can go ahead and we can animate the scene. Okay, and this is going to go, based off of our director's vision, right? Even though we added the dog, the AI should still be able to intelligently incorporate that in our vision. At least that's what ideally it should be doing, right? So we have our playback theater. Once we have this, we don't have any animated scenes though. We have our media flow, which I like as well. So you can see we started off with this. We added a dog, right? And then it's going to show the video that we actually generate here in a minute. I'm just going through all the different features here. Project Hub. Yeah, director's notes. The video will carry a mood of quiet strength, and we should be able to edit these as well. That's another thing that I need to see. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, I should be able to edit all of those. So, okay, interesting. Because when I click on go to director's desk, I feel like that's generating it, right? So I need to make sure. Okay, so here we have our video. So here
Every few years, it's the same story. More sanding, more staining, more repairs. It never really lasts.
Perfect. So, and that ended on a good note, right? So here we can see our playback theater. We should be able to play that. Let's see. So I'm playing it. Okay. So, but what's cool now, we can go to scene 2 and we want to do continue from previous. All right. So it's going to intelligently analyze that last video, and then it's going to take a screenshot of the last, then it's going to give us that video. So now we can animate this scene and we can continue. So now, since Google Veo has a limit of 8-second videos, but it's a really powerful tool, we want to combine that with Gemini's intelligence to give us a really powerful tool here to bring any creative vision to life. So we have our playback theater. What is this? This should play the thing, but it's not working for some reason. The media flow. Okay, yeah, here you can see now we have the video, right, generated. So this is cool. I like this. It's a genealogy of the edits that really shows what's going on. So you can see, okay, we started from here. We added a dog, generated a video with the dog. Then we took that last frame. Then we continued, and you're going to see that continuation. But I don't know why the playback... Oh, okay. Here it is now. Oh, well, I see the film strip down there, but it's not actually playing.
Every few years, it's the same story. More sanding, more staining, more repairs. It never really lasts. We wanted something that truly stood the test of time.
Oh.
Something built with integrity.
Now you can see
that's when we called Don Howard
the AI noticed the scene might end abruptly. Let's see. Well, I want to be able to play that. Ensure the character's interaction. Wait, what happens if I hit cancel? Because I want to be able to, I should be able to see the video. So I like that, right? Regeneration with AI fix. But the what I'm playing reaches a natural conclusion. Okay, well, what did it notice? So that's another thing that I need to fix. So what happens if I accept and continue, but where is
We
that?
wanted something that truly. Every
Okay,
few
so look,
years, it's the same story. More sanding, more staining, more repairs. It never really lasts. We wanted something that truly stood the test of time. Something
so
built with
here
integrity. That's when we called
we
Don
need to
Howard
fix that.
Construction.
We need to fix that obviously because look, they're walking in the decks, in the middle of the deck. So that's what I would have expected, something to fix with that intelligent thing too. So we need to have somewhere where it's able to intelligently analyze that. So I need to fix that. But the cool thing is being able to generate videos and play them in sequence like
Every
this,
few
right?
years, it's the same story. More sanding, more
And generate them in
staining,
sequence, I
more
mean.
repairs. It never really lasts. We wanted something that truly stood the test of time. Something built with integrity. That's when we called Don Howard Construction.
Yeah, see, obviously I need to fix that part. Yeah. Anyways, but this is, you can see how I'm trying to bring any idea to life in an easy way.